Welcome to a chic minimalist spring decor ideas, where simplicity meets elegance to redefine your living space. Let's explore how you can bring fresh, modern trends into your home for the year 2024. Emerging growth. Observe the splendor of nature's rebirth with a springtime decor that is simple and features a growing hyacinth bulb, which represents fresh starts. Ideal for bringing a peaceful touch to any living space. Soft blossoms. A compelling focal point for your living space, or an ethereal, minimalist spring wedding decor can be created with delicate cherry blossoms in a glass vase. Accept the delicate pink tones and glass's transparency for a sobering yet heavenly atmosphere. Curvaceous greenery. Add a stylish spin on minimalist spring decor to your mantle with these distinctively formed green vases filled with solitary sprigs. The rising of nature is heralded by these organic forms and vivid greens. Artistic whispers. Any nook can become a focal point of subtle beauty with a carefully chosen group of minimalist vases, flora, and botanical paintings in cool tones. This chic arrangement adds a subtle refinement that improves your area. Elegance in earth tone. Adorn your simple ceramic vases in earth tones with a wild stem for decoration. This elegant and sophisticated springtime decor concept for any area is a testament to the power of simplicity. Textured harmony. As delicate stems are cradled by textured vases, a story of minimalist beauty is woven. Discover sophistication in simplicity. Ideal for achieving a contemporary mantle design that radiates subtle elegance. Whispering white. A delicate bouquet of white blooms, tied with a ribbon, epitomizes minimalist spring decor's purity and elegance. Ideal for weddings or as a serene centerpiece in any minimalist-inspired space. Lavender luxe. Infuse your kitchen with the vibrant hues of lilac blossoms, adding a burst of spring joy to everyday life. This minimalist spring decor idea proves that simplicity can be both lively and refined. The rustic tableau. Showcase rustic charm with an antique urn nestled amidst fresh greenery, a blend of rustic elements into minimalist aesthetics. This warm and inviting centerpiece is perfect for any spring gathering. Shadow play. Minimalist spring decor can be both simple and dramatic, as demonstrated by a single vase casting artful silhouettes. This interplay of light and shadow adds depth and intrigue to any modern space. Basket of blooms. A rustic basket cradling delicate white flowers epitomizes minimalist spring table decor, blending functionality with natural beauty. This mix of textures and tones adds a touch of rustic elegance to any setting. The modern mantle, sleek vases against a contemporary backdrop create a chic minimalist spring mantle decor, blending the freshness of spring with modern sophistication. Elevate your space with this stylish arrangement. Hanging blooms. Set dangling cherry flowers against a textured tote to add whimsical flair to your decor. This unusual exhibit gives a warm touch to any space, making it ideal for unorthodox spring decor. A haven of blooms. A serene oasis amidst simple spring decor. Witness the delicate paperwhites growing from stone pots. Perfect for living rooms looking for organic simplicity and peace. Bundled softness. A bundle of delicately colored linens wrapped with a ribbon and a sprig of flowers exudes elegant simplicity and brings a calm element to any area. This concept for a minimalist spring table decor radiates elegance and peace. Transform your living space with these chic minimalist spring decor ideas, where less is truly more. Embrace simplicity and elegance to create a fresh, modern ambience that resonates with the trends of 2024.